you asked me about some weapon from. And then it's armed vehicles.
Combat vehicles, and this report this morning that you
Light combat vehicles. Yeah, it was the answer from our Ministry of Defense, and it's true that. So we are thankful, by the way, for everything. You know, we never say no during the war. There is a little bit another situation when we have, for example, some proposition about not new. I mean, it's some old, technically old, not about years. I mean, it's technically for this period of this war. Some old weapon which needs money for innovation. And that's why they understood that, I mean, the minister understood that we have deficit with money, it's true. And we try to, to push all money to missiles or drone missiles and etc. Of course, we need armed vehicles. But I mean, it's also internally we have the same questions from productions when our ministry or from our soldiers, when they said, look, with all respect, we need it, but if we can use this money for drones, we will use it for drones. It's only because of this.